Okay guys, here's my attempted video to show you the data logging and GPS and all that for the Futaba 7PX. That's one of the heat races, and there's a whole bunch of rows or recorded information. So I've got this converted into Google Earth, and you can come over here to the left. You can see the cursor, and you can pick your spots. So what I did was I cleared out all of them, and then if I wanted to go to a certain lap, I scroll down. So let's start with 53. Oh, a plotted point. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, and let's go 64, which makes it look like a complete lap. So we can scroll in on the Google Maps. Oh, 64 is in the way. Let me just do it this way. Okay, so now, and you can see our grid boxes and stuff like that from Google Maps. It's kind of cool. So if you want to know your information, let's say coming out of the turn, pump up, and all kinds of pop-up information comes up. It tells you the speed, the RPM, distance, the whole bit. So if you want to go to the next point, again, you can see your speed, temperature, distance, all your vital information. You can go to the next one. So this is kind of cool if you're changing props or messing with pipe settings or whatever. You can kind of get an idea of what your boat's doing in the turns, out of the turns, and all that. Kind of cool. The other cool feature is, if you wanted to, let's say you were going for records and you wanted to make sure that you got your, for our purposes, 1 mile in, you can cheat, go to the ruler. I won't say cheat, it's kind of a nice thing. So we'll we'll pick a path, and we can put that in feet. I picked path, and we go to number 53. Then we go to 54, click it, go to 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. All this time we're measuring the distance. So for that one lap, it went 1,076.1 feet. So you can measure your distance. The funny thing is I took a picture earlier. You can see our buoys. I measured the distance from one buoy to the next buoy, and it actually came out to 318 feet, that's what it's supposed to be for the straightaway. So this is stuff that you can do with the Futaba logging system, and GPS and all that. I'm still learning, but see what kind of vital information we can get.